Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Play-Doh Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by the advocate of mob justice.
Football. Let's congratulate Orlando Pirates Football Club. 5 out of 5. A praise from our development, Mngqithi.
Yeah.
Another flashlight at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates feeling this Orlando. Nothing, just mob justice football.
Yes,
delivered by Chief Injustice Football, Jose Luis Rivero.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stibo, I had a very tough week. Tuesday I was here. Wednesday I had to go and answer for all the questions or all the cases that has been summoned to Orlando Pirates. I was surprised when I arrived there. I'm asking each and every cases that they've opened against me. And the judge has dismissed all the cases with no cost. So I'm saying, let them continue to speak. Let them continue to insult us.
Yes!
There's two coaches when they are bored. They think about Orlando Pirates.
Which coaches?
First one, it's Mngqithi.
Yes!
I'm not going to say any words from him, but I'll quote what he has said.
What?
Open quote. Mind your house, I will mind mine.
Yes!
Close quote. That statement go to Chlorocop to him and his technical team.
Yes!
Another one is this one, Governant. He say Mponchane deserve to be arrested. I'm saying Governant, go to the nearest police station. You can go to Atteridgeville because I'm done standing for all cases of Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
I was surprised, Stivo, because in Tandindab, I was told there that there is a cases that has been opened from Kwamaimai. They say one of their wooden tray has been stolen.
By who?
We all know where the wooden tray has ended at.
Yeah.
Let's go into the game where we saw Orlando Pirates playing a very delicious football. Yes, Stivo, I'm in love. I'm appreciated. I'm loved here at Orlando. Ungati, we can stay here and go to visit at our respective home by Saturday. Monday to Friday, we stay here.
Yes!
We are appreciated. Go and ask Richard Ofori. The love that he has received from all these Buccaneers is unmatched.
Yes!
Go and ask Mngqithi. If he has ever seen this in his entire playing career, he will say, I've never seen a coach that will come and hold me by hands and say, Buccaneer, here is the hero for today. He was crying. You will see that even Paseka Marco, the computer today, he also received a massive love from Orlando Pirates. What can you say about the combination of Types and Nkosinathi Sibisi? I saw Mngqithi that is very sharp. He has recovered from 2 games where in terms of clearance, it was a bit creepy. If you want to learn diagonal passes, go to Nkosinathi Sibisi,
yes,
where he's throwing all those diagonal passes into Diano Van Rooyen.
Yes!
I'll say to my boy, just number 3, Mngqithi number 3, speedy recovery. Here is home. You are appreciated. Even when you come, you form part of Mob Justice Football Project.
Yes!
What can you say about our combination at the middle of the park? Maketen Makaula, Kuka Tandayo, Kukuka Tandayo.
Yes!
What an engine that he is. As he said, he's a pit bull. He dictates the game. He do all the cleaning of the mess so that our team can be able to shine in a way that they want to shine. Patrick Tito Maswanganye, ambulance yasethembisa munane mlenje wawe wodededziwa ngabakegulu votopfuna chisenga. Patrick Tito Maswanganye,
translate my brother.
bayoza vati bhuti bengathathi. This is the mighty Buccaneer. What can you say about 20 years old Really Mufokeng?
Hey.
Combining with Mngqithi, Robert Lewandowski Manqoba Ngwanasesi. Via Sebavume that at Orlando we have Manqoba. 3 goals into 5 games.
Yes.
What can you say about that? Mngqithi brace today. So it's up to them to criticize, but for us, we know where we are going. Manqoba talks that we are not going to play the position that is at the bottom. We are going to play a professional team. This relationship of AmaZulu and Orlando Pirates, since from 2002, AmaZulu has won only 3 games. It's an abusive relationship.
It is.
And worst part here on Mob Justice Football, bazokataza. So I'm saying, Jose Rivero, they said that you are bored, you miss home. We are saying this is your new home. Bring your family. There's no longer going to be a figurative or quantitative contract. We are just going sebenza kusekhaya. Bob Khoza siyabonga. On the last season, we integrated Mufukeng. Last season we integrated Thabiso Sesane. This season we are integrating Mngqithi. I wish if I played football, because what is happening here, they will end up in comparing us with their youngsters, but they don't even get game time. It's a taboo to compare Mabena with Mufukeng.
Yes.
Rather you compare him now with Mngqithi because Sesane suppressed that standard.
Yes.
Let me say, thank you, Mapakania. Thank you, FANS Wethu. Thank you to all the YouTubers of FANS Wethu. You show me love. Facebook and TikTok, nani nsazos. Nizoimamela le nkulumo.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen.